Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. Thank you guys for stopping by. Today I have another Makeup Monday. I recently did a tutorial on how I got this fall inspired hair color, and a lot of you guys liked the makeup in that video, so I decided to do this dramatic fall smoky eye for you guys. So if you are interested in how I achieved this look, just stay tuned. I have done one of my eyes off camera, so I'm gonna start off with the P. Louise base and Rumour 02. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a 122 brush, and it's kind of like it's like a dome brush, and it's very dense and short. And I'm just gonna put that base on my lid. I recently had this same look on this wig that I have on right now, this fall inspired wig, and I wore this makeup look in that video. I asked you guys on my Insta story if you wanted to see this fall smoky eye, or if you wanted to see like a, you know, an easy regular smoky eye, and it was actually really close. 51% of people voted for this look, and 49% of people voted for the easy smoky eye. So it's really close. It's usually not that close when I, you know, put up different polls and stuff on my Insta stories. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I do polls and stuff all the time. Follow me at iFancyCupcakes. So I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and just kind of press it in. I'm not gonna set it, because you don't have to set this concealer. Now, a lot of people don't set their concealers in general because they say it gives the eyeshadow a better surface to adhere to. I used 3 different palettes for this look, but the main palette that I use for this look is the Morphe Dare to Create palette, the 39A palette. This palette like in January, and I really haven't used it that much, but after using it with this look, I really love it. It's like basically like the perfect fall palette. Like if you don't have this, I think you should have it in your collection. It has a lot of different like transitional shades for different skin tones. It just has so many nice colors. It has all those neutral shades, but you do get like pops of color in certain areas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this dome eyeshadow brush from Elf, and I really like this brush. Eyeshadow looks lately have been very dramatic, as you guys see. This is nice to go in the crease because it's a flat brush, but it's also a fluffy flat brush. It's not like all the way flat. So I'm gonna go into this berry shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So I'm gonna start at my outer V and just kind of start packing it in my crease. This look is very dramatic, and I took it all the way up to my brow. And some people don't like looks like that, but you don't have to take your eyeshadow all the way up like I did. I just wanted a very dramatic look, but if you want it to be more subtle, definitely keep your shadows probably till right here instead of going all the way up. Packing that in my crease without blending anything yet. Go ahead and put that same color on my lid, since that's gonna be the color on my lid as well. I'm gonna clean off my brush just a little bit. And I'm gonna go into this nice orange shade right below the first color. And I really like this shade because it's not like super orange. It's more like it's like a brown orange. I'm gonna go right above the first color and start to pack on that orange color. Dragging it side to side a little bit and blending the edge of the first color just a little bit. And I'm going to drag it just a little bit to my lower lash line. Alright, and so I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics and just blend that edge. I'm gonna take a little bit on the brush and just start to blend out that edge. And I'm bringing it inward as well. A little bit more of that first shade, that like burgundy shade, using that dome eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna put it more so, I'm gonna put more on my lid. With my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, back into that orange. And I'm gonna blend some more. So now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and this is one of my favorite colorful palettes, and it's very like inexpensive. These are the colors in the palette. It's very, very beautiful. I'm gonna use this yellow shade, and I'm gonna blend out the edges at the top with that shade. Brush from Wet n Wild. Now you could just stop right there, but I wanted to add more drama to the crease. So I'm gonna go in with this deeper plum color from the Dare to Create palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm gonna take that dome eyeshadow brush and just put it on the outer part of my crease. I'm not gonna take it inward too much. And I'm just gonna put that dark shade in my crease, and I'm not gonna take it all the way across. I'm gonna stop about halfway. All right, so we have that in the crease. So I'm gonna go in with the first shade that we use, which is right here, and I'm gonna blend that edge out. I'm gonna switch back to that orange color, and I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend out that color I just put down. I am gonna go into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I have loved this palette ever since I bought it. And this is another palette that I feel like is really good for the fall and winter. That's when it dropped anyway. I think it dropped holiday of 2017. And so I'm gonna use the shade Famous, which is right here. And I'm gonna put that on my brow bone, putting it at the highest point of my brow, and then I'll start to drag it into the yellow and just blend it. So I'm gonna take some of the shades that are on my lid and just put them on the lower lash line. Take the first shade that we used, which was that burgundy shade, and I'm gonna use that dome brush from e.l.f. I'm gonna use the famous shade from the Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna pop on my other lash and then I'll speed through my foundation, and I'll have my lashes and everything listed down below.
The best things in life are free. Now that we got each other, the best things in life are free.
Guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'm definitely gonna try to do, you know, a makeup Monday every Monday. Sometimes it won't be necessarily a tutorial, but for the most part, most of them will be. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's very dramatic, so this is not something that you would wear like, you know, to work or everyday occasion, because it does take a little bit of time with all the blending and everything, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. I just recently bought like 4 different palettes. None of them are really fall makeup palettes. They're just like really bright ones, but I am enjoying the more fall inspired looks and stuff like that. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.